Hello, thanks for joining us for this video. In this short guide, we will be looking at the process of adding blocking to floor trusses. In this example, we're looking at a small example area of floor framing. So within our first floor deck framing, we have this section of flooring modelled as shown within the modelling window. From here, within the truss section and under special trusses, we will select our floor truss to use. And with that selected, we choose to select our floor area within the modelling window and then select OK. Once this has been done, the truss parameters window will be displayed. Within here, we would customize our truss parameters as required for our floor framing and per our project's requirements, but in this example, we will leave our parameters as default except for blocking, which we will turn on by selecting the tick box next to its option as shown. With that done, we select OK at the bottom of the truss parameters window, and we then again select our floor structure within the modelling window. With that selected, we then right click and select OK. We select the floor structure again to place the trusses, and then right click again to confirm. Once that's done, BD creates our floor trusses, which as you can see include our blocking selections specified at the top and bottom of our trusses. It really is that simple to add blocking to your floor trusses and framing structures. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks guides to enable you to get the most out of your Vertex BD software. Thanks for watching.